don't think I've ever seen one of these.
But I don't think they did.
Tires on the back. Oh, nice. Can you check it out? Oh, yeah, look at that. Oh, yeah.
That's the way you incorporate it.
That is cool. That is cool. Little wings. Fairlane, look at that. Oh. Oh, that is pretty. Fairlane 500. Around windshield. That is nice. Got C3 over there. We got here Ford. Outside. Oh man, get the motor oil on this one.
Nine good horsepower. It's going for 1200.
Holy shit, twin turbo, yeah. That's cool. Yeah, I'm gonna go in and check it out. Holy shit, this place is full. Chevelle, the 396 SS. Yeah. Oh man. Builds and races them, he says. Look at that. Yeah, Malibu edition. There's so much. There's so much in here. Yeah, we flat. Flat, full. Cruising. Oh man, there's so much. There's so much in here. This is so cool. Holy shit. Oh, look at that. Oh, dude. That's how those work, huh? Look at that. Oh. Oh, man. Oh. Yeah, I saw the shop when I came in. I saw the shop when I came in.
We had one that was like that. It's a different one.
Yeah?
That one the doing well and work. The other one was the 53 Buick Corvette. This is the 53 Mercury. They look like, I like the pink Demaria.
Yeah.
It's not the same color. That one that came in, the 53 Buick, it went back out.
Ah, okay.
And that's a Brooklyn.
Brooklyn.
They go from here.
Yeah.
Well, 427. This is was a 427 in it.
Oh.
The Mustang Javelin back there, 68 Corvette.
Super sport. Oh, there's so much cool shit in here. So much cool shit in here.
Yeah, they didn't make the factory, didn't make there was the company that made it, it's the clone. It's the clone, but there was the company that took the 427 quick motor and they put them in. And I forgot what the name of it was, but this is the clone to that. You know,
The clone?
There never was a 427 in the deal to that, you know. But this is the big black roofer. That's no motor. We was the one that goes from going up.
No motor in this one?
I don't know, a year or something. We never had more put in. We just painted it.
Oh,
That one we could put a motor in. I don't think we painted that one.
No motor in the Javelin.
The motor in it.
Oh, man. Oh, that is cool. AMC Javelin.
72 Javelin. What's the year?
72 Javelin. Hell yeah.
This is 58 Corvette.
Yup. 68 Corvette.
With the full convertible in it. No T-top. Like that one's a T-top. This one's full.
That one's full convertible. Nice. Oh, Chevelle with the 427.
We started it from the ground up. I with them for Pittston when the hood defense, they only meet it for 2 years. And
Oh, wow.
all ground up, all new bearings, everything. I don't know if you want to hear it for your phone. 127 cubic in.
Wow.
I have to conquer a few times. When I get the conversion released. Get that conversion released.
Oh, it's all right. Thank you, though. Oh, thank you. Oh.
This is a flat head and this one.
Yeah.
Flat V8.
Flathead V8, yeah.
It's
In the
a
Victoria.
Very rare, yeah.
Yeah.
I think it's like a 51 Victoria, yeah. It's the only car that I tank with a wide belt.
Oh, nice. Oh, man. Yeah.
The thing that my thing built that one was 14 years old.
When he was 14, he built that one.
Too much. He spent all his money going up to this. Someday it'll be done.
Display only.
Everything new and there'll be nothing but.
Built that when he was 14. Wow.
This one, big truck, 500 plus. I didn't know exactly. Below it was the neck for injection. There's neck for tank behind the driver's seat. So there's the neck for injection.
Oh, nice.
64 Corvette.
64, yeah. C2?
The tires are up to here.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, man.
It also has a 500 plus motor. It's like a, but it does wheelies and it's with, but it's like a 40.
That one does Willie's. Hell yeah.
It takes the big 50, but that's not what's in the
Camaro.
454 with the blood.
Oh.
I can't move like a couple of inches without bringing it out.
Oh, man. 454 with a blower. Jeez.
That one was one, the Vator. See the two piece up there? The Vator is 1 by 10. The Vator's 0 by 10. And about it's a beautiful thing, but the bath that we moved to do that and painted all that in it.
Yeah. Oh, that's pretty.
And this one had 2 4-wheel carburetors, AMC with the 350 4-wheel.
That thing is awesome.
And that one had the Corvette motor and the racing Jackson.
That one has the Corvette motor. Hell yeah. He's got a Corvette motor and he says, oh. Oh, man. Oh. Insane cycles. We have an old Thunderbird in here. Oh. Look at that. There's a whole line of
This
bikes.
is doing some work on this one, because the back half is the B8 in it.
That's
the LS
awesome.
motor in that one.
LS motor, nice.
And this one here, and we didn't build it, we bought it.
Nice.
Okay.
That's awesome. Thank you.
You want a code? You know
Yes,
that.
please.
We have a body shop. We have a paint. We do a paint and body work over here. For non-West Internet.
Yeah, that's the one. I drove by there. Yeah, I drove by there. Got a video. Thank you.
Okay.
Oh, man. That was cool.